See, the when we are going to take cloth strip, that is the smell is coming from the cloth strip, that is onion smell, and add little quantity of HCl. So that particular time what will happen, there is no any color sorry, there is no any smell changes taken place in that particular onion. But when we are going to take same one more cloth strip, add little quantity of NaOH on that cloth strip. But what will happen, the smell of onion it is lost from that particular cloth. Like a way for a vanilla essence also, take vanilla essence or a little quantity of HCl. There is no any smell change and taken place here. And when we are going to take vanilla essence, add little quantity of NaOH. But here the smell of the clove oil, it will be lost. And one more example, that is vanilla essence also. Okay, take vanilla essence and add little quantity of HCl. The smell of vanilla essence, there is no any smell changes taken place here. There is no any odor lost here. But when we are going to take vanilla essence and add little quantity of NaOH, means the smell of or the odor of vanilla essence, it is going to lost. Okay, see what is that conclusion means, when the acids present in this olfactory indicators, the smell of that particular substance or remains. Okay, there is no any loss of odor in that particular substances. It indicates that substances are acids. But what happens in the case of bases, when we are going to take base and add these olfactory indicators, means the smell of substances will be lost. The smell of substances are lost. Okay, this is the conclusion about this olfactory indicators. Thank you for watching this one. This is very useful to you and your children also. Please share and comment and like my videos. Thank you. And in the next class we are going to learn how that acid bases or reacts with the metals. See, after olfactory indicators, now we are studying on how do acids and bases react with the metals. Okay, acids and bases, it is going to react with the metals. Okay, acids example sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and bases sodium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. And example for metals, there are so many metals are there, calcium, magnesium, iron. These are all the examples of metal. Let me see activity 2.3. See, this activity needs the teacher assistant, because if the acids are falls on our body, it is going to affect our body. That is why we should follow the instruction given by the teacher, and we should do the experiment with the help of teacher assistant only. And here, set the apparatus as shown in the figure. Okay, see here, this is the figure, and this is the stand, and this is the test tube, and this is dilute sulfuric acid. Here we took dilute sulfuric acid, not concentrated sulfuric acid. And zinc granules, these are the zinc granules. Okay, this is the metal reacts with acid experiment diagram. Okay, next take about 5 ml of dilute sulfuric acid in the test tube. Already we know that this is a test tube, and take 5 ml of dilute sulfuric acid and add few drops of zinc granules to it. What do you observe on the surface of zinc granules? Pass the gas being evolved through the soap solution. Why are bubbles formed in the soap solution? Take a burning candle near the gas filled bubble. What do you observe? Repeat the activity with using some other acids like acetic acids and observe the what happens in the reaction. Let me see. This is very simple diagram and this is very useful for your examinations, dear students. See, first we need to take a test tube and it is a rubber stopper, and inside the rubber stopper we insert a delivery tube here, and this is a tumbler. Okay, inside that we should take soap solution. Okay, let me see. See, this is the test tube and add little quantity. It means that 5 ml of dilute HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, and add a little quantity of zinc granules. See, this represent zinc granules, and when acid it is react with the metal in the case of zinc granule. Zinc is a one of the most important metal. When acid reacts with metal, it produces hydrogen gas bubbles. See, where we can see hydrogen gas bubbles here, and with the help of this gas we can pass through the delivery tube. This is the delivery tube, and when the delivery tube it is went for the soap solution, it produces some kind of uh, hydrogen bubble here also, and take a one candle and burn the bubble. Okay, when we burn the bubble it produces a pop sound. See, burning of hydrogen gas with a pop sound. This is the candle and soap bubble filled with the hydrogen. This is the soap solution. Okay, what is the summary of this experiment means, when acids are reacts with base sorry the acids are reacts with the metal, it produces a hydrogen gas. When we burn the hydrogen gas, it burns and produces a pop sound. Okay, not only this one, any metal it is going to react with the acid to produce hydrogen gas. This is the conclusion for this experiment. Okay, see, note that the metal in the above reactions displaces hydrogen atom from the acids as hydrogen gas forms a compound called a salt. Okay, so we can summarize acids and metals react to form salt and hydrogen gas. Like we here also we should take a few pieces of zinc granule in a test tube and add 2 ml of sodium hydroxide. Here sodium hydroxide is a base. Okay, and repeat the experiment what we did in the previous experiment same way. See, zinc sodium hydroxide and zinc granules is a metal and sodium hydroxide is a base. When base it is going to react with the metal to form salt. Okay, sodium zincate is a salt and hydrogen. Okay, overall summarization of these experiments, that when acids are reacts with metals to form salt and hydrogen gas, and the bases also react with metal to form salt and hydrogen gas. These are the very important things we should know. And next class we are going to learn how that metal carbonates are reacts with the acids. Okay, those who are seeing first time my videos, please subscribe and share and like. Please support me.